Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the hidden jobs on LinkedIn. Now, for those who are wondering why can't you look at the job boards, you must understand that according to the statistics, only 40% of jobs make it to Indeed, Monster.com, ZipRecruiter, Night Hunts, and all the job boards. The reason is because most employers actually pay money to get the jobs or job postings on these job boards, which is why I'm making this video to show you how to find these hidden jobs on LinkedIn. Let's jump in. What you do is to go to LinkedIn, make sure that you're in your profile or logged in. Once you're logged in, go right here to the search bar and type in the job role that you want to apply for. Let's say you want to apply for software engineering. You put it in quotes, say software engineering, engineer. Okay, let's put the job role exactly, software engineer. Let's put it in quotes and let's put and let's type in hiring. So what you're doing is you're asking it to search for these terms. So what happens is it's going to search for these exact terms, and here are the results when you search. When you search, you can find these are all the results right here. What you do is to simply go to here and click on post. You want to filter by post. You want to also filter by the date it was posted. You want things that are more recent, okay? More recent postings, go right here to dates posted and go down there to say you want to see those that have been in the past week. Let's go right here and let's go to show results. And once you do that, guys, you can find that these will all be results of job postings right here. If you go right here, you can see here, it says here, hello Airline Network, we're expanding our team. You see this is job posting right here. So you can find this sort of hidden jobs right here within, because these people are not willing to pay for jobs on job boards. There you go. There's another one right here, calling all senior front-end developers. So this is how you find hidden jobs on LinkedIn. All right, guys, I hope this is helpful, or it was helpful. It's been helpful to you. Please leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.